In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted history on Google Chrome. Before we dive into what actually works, let's set expectations. When you delete browsing history directly in Chrome, the browser removes those records from its local storage. That means you usually can't bring the entries back from Chrome itself. And if the activity happened in incognito mode, there's nothing to recover at all. That's the point of incognito. There are, however, two practical places to check, depending on how you use Chrome. The first and most reliable is Google My Activity. This helps if you were signed into your Google account and had activity tracking enabled. Open a browser and go to myactivity.google.com, then sign in with the same Google account you used in Chrome. Once you're in, use the search bar at the top to look for specific sites or keywords, or apply filters to narrow things down. Filtering by date range and by product can save a lot of time. Choose Chrome or Web and App Activity to focus the results. Scroll through your timeline to see visits, searches, and site interactions that were captured from your signed-in devices. If you don't see anything, it may be because Web and App Activity was turned off, your account wasn't signed in at the time, or the entries were also removed from My Activity. Give it a moment if you just cleared history. Sometimes synced data takes a little time to update. The second place to check is your other synced devices. If Chrome Sync was enabled, another phone, tablet, or laptop might still show the sites you visited. Open Chrome on that device and go to History. You're looking for the section that lists pages from your other devices or the combined history timeline. Sometimes, if a device was offline or sync was paused when you cleared history on one machine, it may still hold the record until it reconnects. Keep in mind, though, that once sync catches up, those entries can disappear across all devices. Here's the important reality check. If you weren't signed in and didn't have sync or activity tracking on, deleted local history is usually gone for good. Incognito sessions leave no browse history to retrieve. And be cautious with tools that claim they can magically restore Chrome history. Most are unreliable, paywalled, or misleading. So, the real options are simple. Check Google My Activity if you were signed in, and check other synced devices if sync was on. If neither applies, it's likely not recoverable. Now you know what's actually possible and what's not when trying to find deleted Chrome history.